Hello students, welcome to week 3 PowerPoint presentation online session. That's my email address leela.ekman@newham.ac.uk. Any homework, any queries, send me to that email address. The learning objectives of this session is to insert smart art graphics. I'll explain you how to insert smart art graphics and why it is useful. To insert and edit data into a table, I should have written to a table, insert the table and edit data, and to insert shapes and custom animation. We'll talk about it. Interesting, very interesting topic. And to custom animation. Okay, and let's go back to my to your email address, as well as I have uploaded this activity sheet into Google Classroom, and also I have sent to your email address along with the link to this video tutorial. I'm going to explain how to work on these tasks. This one, task 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is wonderful. Fourth and fifth. 4 and 5th. Okay, so the first task is to insert smart art graphics into a PowerPoint presentation. On the news, task 1, number 1, I'm just going to read it one by one, and I'll explain you how we can work on this. On the news slide, add an organization chart using the content layout for artwork advertising, inclusive consisting of CEO Jane Peters, our assistant Joe Valley, 3 managers, Nathan Sams, creative director, John Blake, sales, and Miriam Sobel, IT. So, Maria, I'm not feeling very well today, so I don't know what I'm reading. Miriam Sobel, IT, yes. So, let's go into, so in your first PowerPoint presentation, what I'm doing is I'm just going to open the new blank presentation, file, new, and then I'm going to click on blank presentation. Now they want me to insert a smart art graphics, so this layout is not that suitable for it. So I'm going to change the layout of the existing slide to title and content. Okay, so I have a title and content. So what do they want me to do next? Next, they want me to include a smart art graphic similar to this. That's what I'm going to explain. See, there are 2 ways of doing it. Either you can click on the icon in here, insert smart art graphic, or you go into insert, from insert then you can go into smart art. When I click on smart art graphic, there are a lot of different types of lists here. It shows all list, it like list in their process, if you want it in a different arrows, or you want to have a cycle chart in yours, or hierarchy. This is what I'm looking, hierarchy in our example, different types of hierarchy, different types of relationships. Okay, fine. Just have a look what each consists of. If you want to have a pyramid, I have seen students using this type of chart, especially when you're doing your childcare assessments or TA assessments. You're using this type of charts in your assessments. And also, if you're working in any organization, you want to draw charts, you want to include some smart art graphics like this, you'll use this list, smart art graphic. Sorry, I have a bad cold. It's just cold. If I click on hierarchy, and the first one, it looks more or less like the one I wanted, and I just click on OK to that. See that I have this, and as soon as I click on the smart art, there is smart art tools. If you want to have it in a different shapes, you can have it, or if you want to change the colors, you can have different colors in there. So let me just take a different color. For example, this is a color I'm going to use it, or maybe different layout you want to use it, 3D shapes. So there are a lot of tools here, students. As I keep saying, don't be afraid of checking these tools. Work on it, click on it. If nothing if you do something wrong, there is always a magic button of undo option in there. Just go back, it will take you a step behind. Okay, now the heading they want us to use is artwork advertising, artwork, ARDVA arc, advertising. Is it advertising? Advertising, yes, INC. INC. I'm just gonna have that. Now text. So you see a text. I'm just gonna click on that. I'm going to write the text as Jane Peters, CEO. So Jane Peters, CEO. Sometimes students, sometimes you want, sometimes you need to, your chart might say you don't need this, just click on and delete it. And then sometimes you might need to add an extra box somewhere here. The one I did somewhere extra, so I'm just going to click on this. Maybe now I want to add an extra box. Right click on it, add shape above or below, add an assistant. As was an assistant, so I'm just going to click on assistants. You see that it comes up. In case if you want to add another shape to this assistant, click on add shape, add shape below, so you will get another shape below that. So you can customize this chart according to your requirement, the way you want to do it. Even if you want to have change shape or try options. There are a lot of different options in there, so wherever you want, if you want to add an extra box next to that, add shape after, before, however you like it. Okay, so I'm just going to delete for now. Now Jane Peters. Now the second thing is Joe Valley, PA. I'm just going to type it, student here, Joe Valley, PA. And if you please change font size, font colors, feel free to do all those options. Next one is Nathan Sams. Nathan Sams, and what is it? Creative director. And then the next part is John Blake, sales. John, J-O-H in John Blake. What is he doing? He's in sales department. And the next is Mariam Solberg. What is she doing? What's her role? IT. So last week I just explained how to apply animation to display one by one. So we are going to this week. I'm just explaining in detail how to insert chart and how to edit data into that. Are they asking anything else for us to do? Fill the manager's box with yellow, PA with green, and CEO with gray. Write different colors you need to option. Apply different styles for the different individuals. Save the presentation. They say I'm just going to show for the this box. They say gray for that box. Just right click on that. You can either shape fill from here, or you can go into format and shape fill from there as well. They say gray. Is it gray? Yeah, gray. And then I'm just going to click on this. They want yellow for all the bottommost boxes. So then in that case I need to change the font color a bit. Font color is because white, and that doesn't look there you go. Change it for all three boxes like that. I'm just going to leave it, students, you do the work. Little bit of shape outline if you want to give a different type of shape outline, like weight or let me see whether can I get it from design or format, like a border. Yes, there you go. If I just click on this, I can just get borders from there as well. For this I'm gonna get different border there, so you can sorry, I took the shape fill out. Okay, color is gone, so I'm just gonna fill that shape right there. I just have the border and the color in there as well. So yes, save your work, give a work, relevant work to this file name to this. Maybe you can give it as week 3 presentation, because we're going to add more into these slides. Save your work regularly, students, and send me as an attachment to my email address so that I can see this. Some of you are doing your homework, sending the work, but I'm still expecting few of you to get into the habit of sending me homework. Please do your homework. I have 17 students in the class. All I have got is 5 or 6 students homework so far. Students, please get up and send me your homework as soon as possible. Task 2. Add a table slide with the 2 column and 3 rows. Add a table slide. I need one more table, one more slide layout. One more slide here. How do I go? Yes, I go into new slide, title and content. Then I need to insert table. Just like the way insert. Where is the table option here? First one, insert table. What was the size of it? They want us to add 2 columns and 3 rows. Insert table, two columns and 3 rows. That's how they want it. Yes, I'm just going to leave it as it is. 3 columns, and then please enter the data into that. Remove the borders, save the presentation. So this heading is auto layouts. Type the data. If you right click into that, you will get to see all these different options. Places. I'm sure you have done tables in your level 1 class, so you can make use of all those options that you have done. So layout, if you go into layout, you have delete, insert above, below the row, insert left, column if you want to insert column, or insert a row left, right, or above, you can do that. So okay, and then type what is given there. What's it? Title, tables, charts, and then what's in this? Bullet slides, organization, bullet slides. Spelling, bullet slides, organization, charts, pictures. Okay, right click and do the spelling correction. Bullet slides, organization, chart, and pictures. See students, when I click on this table, if you want to do some design to that, if you want to have a different colors, you can have a different color from there. If you want to have a border, you can just go and all borders you can give. Or if you it says no border in the beginning, so I'm just going to highlight everything and say no border there. And if you want to give any special effects, up to you guys. You just feel free to do any extra work that you want to do and send me the work. You don't have to restrict yourself to my explanation. You can do more to your work. I always like you guys showing more of your creativity, more of your knowledge that you have in your show it all on your work. Send it to me. Right, and okay, next slide. PowerPoint graphics. Next slide. So we saw how to insert smart art. We have seen how to insert table now. Task 3. Now we will see how to insert graph. How to insert a graph. Importance of graphics and animation. Using the content layout, create a chart on a new slide to depict the following data. The data records the number of people in the audience of 3 different presentations who were asleep after 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes. One presentation contained text-only slide, the second contains graphics, and the third contains the animation effects. The resulting chart, once you enter the data, the resulting chart should look like this. So you will not enter the graphics actually, you will enter the data to do the graph. Okay, so I need one more slide. How do I go? New slide, title and content. Now there are two ways of inserting the chart. Either you can click here, or you can go back to your insert and do it from there as well. This time I will just click here and I'll select it from there. Now insert chart, that was a column chart, so I'm just going to take this side of and then click on okay. That's how I want the chart to be, like column chart. I'm sure you have seen these charts in your charts and graphics in your level 1 spreadsheets when I've done with these students. Now as soon as I click on chart, you see this table opens up. You have to delete this. You have to delete it all. As soon as I delete it, see, everything got deleted there. Everything got deleted there. Don't worry, the column 1, column 2 comes up. We're going to write something on top of it. So PowerPoint, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40. You don't have to type A, B, C, D, E, students. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Okay. So I'm just going to write there 10 minutes. Next tab, if I press tab, it goes into the next one. 20 minutes. Next 30 minutes, and next, do we have anything else? Well, do we have 40 minutes? Yeah, 40 minutes. And I'm going to write here 40 minutes. Next, text only, graphics and animation. Presentation. When I click on that, okay, now you see that as soon as I type 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can see that on your graph too. What was this? Text only. Text only, graphics and animation. Text only, graphics and animation. Animation. And then when I open the you can see text only, graphics and animation also comes up as when I'm typing the data information. I'm just going to copy 100 very bad course students, babe. Right, give me 2 minutes. And the next one is 2321 3321, and that 30 minutes is 853 853. 40 minutes 1295 1295. See that when I enter the data and also when I look into my graph, it comes up. It shows up on my graph as well. All I'm doing is I'm just changing the data in my spreadsheet, and that appears on my graphs as well. And what's the title of this? Title is the importance of graphics and animation. It should look like more or less like this. The importance of graphics and animation. That's my heading. The importance of graphics and animation. Graphics and animation. That's my third slide, 30, 24, 30. And also you might say that, oh Leela, there is number of people asleep, time and everything. If you want to add something extra, legend or anything, you can always do that. I'm just going to make this bigger. If you go into chart tools, design, not design, layout, yes, legend. This is a legend, 10, 20, 30 minutes. Or if you want to add, sorry, those are called axis titles. Primary horizontal axis title below, that is what was that? Time. Those are called axis title, students. So I'm just going to write the axis titles in there. This is time. Oh sorry, that's the title, and it's the number of people here. So I'm just going to get to, if it's somewhere clicked outside, you will not see those tools. So click outside the graph, and then you go into layout, then you select axis title, and then you see vertical title. It will come up here. Number of people, so you can just write it as number of people, P-O-P-L-E, is it? P-O-P-L-E is number of people. So you can just increase the size a bit. I can modify primary vertical axis. I just want it as like a horizontal title, say number of people. I'll get that one there. So I have my axis titles as well. All you have to do is click on the graph, go into layout, and from there select axis title. If it's chart title, legend, data label, data table, please look at all of these things. And also we will look more of graphics and charts and tools when we are doing spreadsheets. Okay, now number four is quite interesting. Inserting shapes. Task 4, inserting shapes. I'm just going to quickly explain you students, and you can go with the animations and everything, copy and pasting some of the shapes and things. I'm just going to insert a new slide. I'll change this. Maybe I'm just going to, I don't need this I guess for now. I'm just going to delete that text box. I'm just going to increase this for now. Now I need to get house. I need to make houses. Insert. You see there are different types of shapes here. From the shapes, I need it. I'm just going to trying to draw a house. House there. Then shapes. I'm going to get a triangle on top, and then I need doors and windows. I'm going to have I can have a small windows there. I can have I'll quickly explain you, and then I'm going to have this door, and then you have to draw 3 houses like that. Wait, and then I'll change the color. If I go into format, and you can also see the colors changing there. You change into different colors or the layout you wanted. You can change the color. I'll change the background house color to something. So there you go, I got a house, right? And you have to draw 3 houses. That's what is showing in there. You have to draw 3, 1, 2, 3. One is small, medium, and the bigger houses. It's going to take a lot of time if I keep drawing it, so I expect you to do it on the own. I'm going to I'm going to insert shapes sun, or if you want, you can copy and paste it from internet as well, the image of a sun on the background. I'm going to show let me just get the sun picture there. I'm going to get image of a bird here, and then I'm just going to quickly show how to custom animation. Insert. I'll get clip art. I'll get clip art in my case. In your case, maybe you have to go search online and copy the picture of a bird from internet and paste it. And last week I also showed you how to remove the background of it. Okay, for example, this is the bird I have. Okay, this is a flying bird. Okay, let me get this flying bird, and I'm going to this house bird is here, right? Where's the come on bird, come to this place. There you go. Now I'm going to custom animation to it. I'll click on the bird first, animation, and then you see this, where's my custom path? fly mouse thing it had sorry, brain doesn't work at all. Custom path, and then I'm just going to draw the line, draw the line, draw the line, draw the line, draw the line. I'm just going to do this. See that? The bird is flying. That's one. And there was grass on backside of the picture. I'm just going to get grass and I'll just show you that because I want to show there's the lawn. There was lawn on here. There's this lawn. I'm just going, and then I'm going to. Do I have two grass? Yes, because I clicked twice. I'm just going to delete one. Now, if it is overlapping the house, so I'm just going to send backward this grass. Is my computer slow? Yeah, computer is slow, super slow. What happens when you click on send backward or send to back? You see that it's gone to the back side of the house. So I'm just going to so that the house looks like it's on the side of the lawn. I'm just going to reduce the size of this so that yeah. See, I'm just doing it one house and sun and a bird student. You can be more creative. You can have like 3 houses, children playing on the grass and the sliding, and you can come up with all these different types of animations. And for this example animation, I'm just going to give it as a wheel. For that, see how it rotates at the sun. And also there are a lot of different, like how the more entrance effect, if you click on that, there are more entrance effect. You can give animation to your shapes or the house or the bird. There are more exit emphasis effects, exit effects, more motion paths. Students, you feel free to go with that. Try all those different options. If you look into task 5, it's given in there. See that object grass entrance appear on click. So when you click on grass, you can go into, what do they say, more entrance effect. Well, what was the effect they're saying? Appear, entrance appear, appear there. Click on OK. So you can go on adding all those animations on start click. So there are a lot of different options here. Please go and check these options, effect options, entrance of options, all these options. Okay, anyway, I'll explain again. I have already recorded this. It's a 27 minutes video, long video. Okay, I will see you all in my next video in my next week. Until then, please go through this and send me your completed tasks to my email address. Bye bye, look after yourself.